The iPhone 17 Pro rumors are hotter than the California sun. Whether you're team take my money or team just give me a USB-C port, there's plenty to unpack. Today, we're diving into the juiciest leaks, bold predictions, and yes, some very questionable rumors about Apple's next pro-level iPhone. Let's go! Traveling a lot, or you want more beautiful desk setup? Stop packing endless chargers. The Cooksy X40Q and X55 Ultra 3-in-1 foldable chargers simplify your travel. Fast Qi 2 wireless charging for all your devices. Compact, powerful, and made for iPhone or Samsung users. Upgrade your travel game or your setup. Click the link below and grab yours now and save 10% with our discount coupon for all Cooksy products. Travel smarter, charge faster. So let's start with the question everyone's asking. When is this bad boy dropping? Well, if Apple sticks to its usual playbook, and let's be real, they're creatures of habit, we're looking at early September 2025. Likely dates, September 8th, 9th, or 10th for the big reveal, with pre-orders kicking off that Friday and shipping the following week. Mark your calendars. Of course, Apple could throw us a curveball, but probably not. They like their routines almost as much as we like unboxing their shiny gadgets. Now let's talk design. Rumor has it Apple's cooking up some intriguing changes. Word on the street is they're ditching individual volume buttons and the action button. Instead, we might see a single super button that handles it all. Press harder, swipe, maybe even tap dance on it. Who knows? It sounds fancy, but hey, remember the solid-state prototypes for the iPhone 14 Pro? This could be the real deal. But if you're like me, you're thinking, one button to rule them all? What could possibly go wrong? And colors, Apple might spice things up with new shades like dark green titanium or the rumored fan favorite teal titanium. Imagine pulling that out of your pocket. It's like a subtle flex that screams, yes, I have taste. Oh, and materials? Conflicting reports here. Some say Apple's going back to aluminum for part of the frame and backplate, but others swear by titanium. Either way, we're getting that sleek premium vibe Apple's known for. Now, screens. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to stick with the 6.3-inch size introduced with the 16 Pro, but here's the kicker. It might get a more scratch-resistant and anti-reflective finish. Translation, no more awkward squinting under the sun. Plus, rumors suggest some fancy new tech to make the display more power efficient. Love that for battery life. All right, let's zoom in literally on the cameras. If you're tired of grainy telephoto shots, you're in for a treat. The 17 Pro could rock a massive upgrade with a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, up from the measly 12 megapixel we've been stuck with. Same 5x optical zoom, but now with way more detail. And selfie lovers, don't worry, Apple hasn't forgotten you. We might see a 24 megapixel front camera. That's double the megapixels, so your duck face game is about to hit another level. But wait, there's even a rumor about a mechanical aperture for the main camera. You know, like adjusting the blur in real time. Cool, right? Except it sounds way too niche for Apple's vibe, so don't hold your breath on that one. And finally, the engine under the hood, the A19 Bionic chip. It's expected to be the fastest, most powerful chip Apple's ever made. Surprise, surprise, right? But seriously, if Apple pulls this off, the iPhone 17 Pro could set new benchmarks for speed, battery life, and overall performance. So there you have it. The iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be Apple's most exciting Pro yet. But here's the question. Are these upgrades enough to make you upgrade? Or are you sticking with your current iPhone until, I don't know, the iPhone 20? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you're as hyped as I am or just here for the drama, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our deep dive when Apple finally spills the beans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.